Welcome back to Biswas Dancefloor with another dance tutorial. My name is Harahari Biswas and today's lesson is Kalaavathi Song Hook step tutorial of Mahesh Babu. After watching this Kalaavathi Song Hook step tutorial, you will learn how to dance like Mahesh Babu. Let's start.
Come on, Kalaavathi, nuvegati, nuvegati. Come on, Kalaavathi, nuvegunte adhogati.
Left hand behind your head and right hand in your pocket, and just like that, just like push your leg back. One, two, one, two, one, two. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Okay. One, two, one, two. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Okay, ready? One, two. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hope you have enjoyed this Kalaavathi Song Hook step tutorial of my Babu. So please hit the like button,